I want to extend a warm welcome to everyone that has dialed in for this event. We really appreciate you taking your afternoon, evening, morning to be with us from wherever you are in the globe. I hope everyone has been staying safe during this pandemic. Today, I want to start by sharing our vision for the Jupiter release of Sniper. My team at Securonix has spent the last 6 months reimagining how we can enhance the capabilities of our service to better enable customers in accurately detecting and responding to threats. Today, I am happy and honored to announce our latest release that we have been working on. We've called this release Jupiter, and it is going to be available shortly for rollouts to all of our customers. I want to thank our design partners and our beta customers that have been kind enough to spend a lot of time helping us with this release, helping us in designing it, helping us in stress testing it, and giving us a lot of great feedback on the features that we're about to release. With Jupiter, we have a lot of things in it, a lot of features for everyone. For security engineers, we have reimagined how you can integrate Sniper into your environment. We've reimagined how you can ingest events into Sniper and get access to the great features that we have. For detection engineers, we have reimagined how you will be able to get access to the great content, the threat content that we have, and how you can integrate community content into Sniper. We have also thought about how security analysts can use the Jupiter release of Sniper to enhance their investigations and respond to threats faster. And finally, our SaaS platform. I'm happy to announce our SAS 2.0 platform that we'll be rolling out shortly and getting all of our customers on it. The SAS 2.0 platform has a lot of great capabilities that will enhance the ability for the platform to auto-scale to the workloads that you have. So let's begin by talking about some of the great services and features that we have within Jupiter. To start off, our platform, we understand that hundreds of our customers trust our service to secure their businesses. We take this responsibility seriously, and we want to continuously add value to improve the security posture for our customers. One of the key responsibilities that we have as a security vendor is to provide valuable threat content continuously. The threat content will include integrations, parsers, use cases, compliance reports, data insights, and a lot more. And we want these to be available for deployment quickly. Today, I want to announce our content as a service. This is a really great service that we are rolling out. This will be a service that will allow us to get content in the hand of our customers and rolled out within environments very quickly. With this service, you will have the capability to not just get access to content, but also run it in our sandbox mode to see what the use cases look like before you roll it out in production. One of the other services that I want to announce, one of the most exciting services, is our autonomous threat hunting as a service. This new service allows us to scan our customer environments for IOCs that are emerging. The key thing with this service is that it is an opt-in service that customers can get access to, and it allows you to be abreast of the latest threats that are happening in the industry. Besides these two services, I want to announce a lot of new, really great features within Sniper. To start off with, imagine if you had the ability to look at streaming log events in a centralized place, have the ability to search across these using search expressions, simple or complex, and have the ability to be alerted on any IOCs that are emerging on these streaming events. We added a new capability called the Live Alert channel that can be set up to monitor and continuously scan the events as they're coming in for IOCs. The second great feature that we've added is our ability to run streaming search expressions, which could be as complex as writing down multiple conditions on events, or getting matches on certain expressions as they're happening. A third capable feature that I want to announce today is our on-demand cases. We understand that incidents don't just happen when use cases trigger. A lot of times you have your threat hunting teams that are investigating and looking for certain patterns in event logs, which may result in incidents. Or you might have your security team that receives a phone call or an email alerting of a phishing attempt, and you want to start creating an incident and then subsequently add additional evidence to it. Well, guess what? Our on-demand cases allows you to create incidents and add evidence to it in the evidence vault as you go along. Another great thing as part of our response service is our close and unimaginable integration that we have created with EDR vendors. We have spent a lot of time in providing automations that can be triggered automatically once you have use cases that trigger in your environment. We'll talk a lot about these features later. Let's also talk about some of the advancements that we have done on our content. We understand that nowadays customers are working in hybrid cloud environments, and it's so important to secure your cloud environment. We have worked hard on understanding the workloads in clouds, understanding the interactions within the cloud, understanding how threat actors operate within the cloud. And we are releasing our Cloud Content 2.0, which has a lot of IOCs, a lot of different techniques and behaviors that we are rolling out to detect any cloud threats. Apart from this, we also understand that our customers rely on community content that is being generated and distributed. We spend a lot of time in creating a Sigma rule converter, which can take community provided Sigma rules and convert them into sniper related content that can be used and get valued from. Let's talk about the other great thing within sniper. One of the major themes of the Jupyter release was our focus on user experience. We reimagined the way that you will integrate our application into your environment. We spent a lot of time in understanding how can we quickly get you value from the product. And we focused on the data onboarding process. We ensured that we were able to bring down the number of steps that are required in order to onboard data. We also spend a lot of time in providing a very intuitive experience to our security engineers for integrating Sniper into the environment. You'll see a lot of automation during this process, and in today's session we'll get into the features and then show you a demo of how this works. Apart from the data onboarding process, one of the other feedbacks that we've had from customers is the need to monitor event rates within the environments. Imagine having the ability to slice and dice on events that are coming in to understand what are the trends of the event rates, what data centers are providing you more data, what data sources and devices have become silent and are unable to send you data. We have added a new module within our application called the Activity Monitor that allows you to really drill down into event rates and devices and looking at events in different ways. Another feature that we added was the data dictionary. It's one of the coolest features because think about it. We have so many different firewall vendors that are providing event logs, and every vendor has a different terminology of representing the events. We reimagined what would it be like to have a label, a centralized place to define what the terminology was and use it consistently across all of the vendors. This is a data dictionary feature. It allows us to create centralized labels for any functionality, any vendor in the market, and it is used throughout the product, whether you are using it in searches, use cases, or even during the reporting features with it. Last but not the least, I want to talk about our SAS service. We were one of the earlier vendors of providing SIM in the cloud. And today, I want to talk about a new deployment option in the cloud. It's a very exciting option. It is called our sister account model. The reason why it's really exciting is because it really changes the game for existing AWS customers. It allows our customers to leverage their own AWS enterprise account to run our SaaS service. And you retain ownership of the data, and we provide control of the service seamlessly. This game-changing service is going to be available to a number of our customers in the cloud. Another very interesting thing that we did as part of our SaaS service was to ensure that our SaaS service is running in the background invisibly, but providing you all the features that enable your businesses. For the first thing that we did was reimagine security, allowing our customers to bring their own keys in securing the data as it is stored. We rethought about the different DR options that we could provide. Today, I'm happy to announce a platinum DR option that is going to be available to our customers to opt into, which is going to provide a much faster RPO and RTO in their environments. Finally, I want to talk about data retention. Different industries, different customers have different needs to store data. You might want to store certain types of data in your environment and use it for searching purposes. We have provided a flexible model for our customers to choose from that allows you to really decide what customers retain for what period of time, what data is retained for what period of time, and then search across this data. Besides that, there's a lot of new onboarding options that are available to our customers, allowing them to decide how they would like to send the data to us, allowing customers to decide whether they'd like to be on their own private VPC, allowing customers to even decide whether they would like us to manage their remote ingestion node remotely. So as you can see, there's a lot of new advancements that we have done. And what I'd like to do is to call on Rahul Bakshi, our SVP of products, to walk into each one of these features and talk to you and show you some of the great things that are added within it. After Rahul, I'm also going to bring in Nanda and Derek, who would talk about some of the new features in our content and in our cloud service.